Hi friends, normally if you roll a round object down a slope, it tends to go downwards. But today I am going to show you how to make a wheel that can roll itself and can even climb heights. We are going to need some cardboard which we can get from old packaging. Draw 17 centimeter circles on it and cut them using a scissor. Try to cut them evenly. Remember, balance is very important when making this project. Then we will draw a small circle inside. This will assist us in gluing the battery. It should be glued in the exact center of this cardboard. You will need a small gear motor as well. You can easily get it from the local electronics stores. And now we will make an arm for this motor, which can be made using a metal wire. Use a plier to twist the wire and keep twisting until it is fully tight on the motor shaft. By the way, this arm will move a weight inside the wheel, which will in turn push the wheel in the opposite direction. Also add some glue in the end to make it further strong. As you can see, it is very strong now. Let me test it. As you can see, the arm is moving, and now it is time to attach the motor in the exact center of this wheel. Remember, weight distribution is very important. You must concentrate the entire weight in the exact center of this wheel, otherwise it will not work at all. Now it is time to add the on off button, but before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button to keep seeing similar interesting videos. This is a unique project and it will be a fun to show it to others, especially the kids in your home will surely love this. It will also add to their knowledge when you will explain to them the internal mechanism of this wheel. I will now glue the on off button on this cardboard. I think this wire is unnecessary because I can now directly solder it on the battery. As you can see, the wire arm is now moving. I am adding a weight on this motor arm now. By the way, don't get confused by the look of this weight. It is actually a dead BLDC motor. You can use any solid weight such as a ball bearing or whatever thing which is around 40 grams. The reason I am using this BLDC motor is because the board allows me to solder it with the wire and I don't have to use any glue or duct tape. Now I will use thick chart paper as a tire for this wheel. You can easily measure the exact size to cut by folding it around the cardboard pieces. The height of this chart should be around 15 centimeter. To save your time, I have already cut and folded it on one piece of cardboard, but I will show you the process. It is very important to make this wheel as round as possible because it is mainly a rolling wheel. Now I will fit the main cardboard piece on this cardboard wheel box. You can use a thin card to prevent the cardboard piece from falling inside the wheel box, and cover the entire wheel with the tape to make it strong, especially the main joint. Here, as you can see, it is better to cover the entire joint here, the chart joint, to make it strong. By the way, I am making this project just for demonstration purpose, but you should definitely use a better cardboard sheet and a better chart sheet to make this project. Okay, it is complete now. Time to give it a try. And yes, it is working. Okay guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Take care of yourself and your family. See you next time.